Now we are going to deal with exercise 18.2, question number 1. Okay, prepare the frequency distribution table with equal class intervals for the following data. So this is the first question. You have to find out, you have to prepare the frequency distribution table. So here some asked, the question is the amount in the savings account of 40 students. So 40 students they have savings account. So how much they were saving, that amount already it is there. So how many students are there? 40 students. So there are 40 different kinds of savings are here. What you have to do, you have to prepare what? A frequency distribution table. Okay, frequency distribution table we have to prepare. So here 40 different amounts are there. First of all, here already given some information. What is that? Take the first class as 500 to 600 and the class size as 100. So what we have to do, we have to take the first class. Okay, here we have to make some classes. The classes, or we have to make some groups, 5 or 6 groups. In that groups we have to include this all amount. Clear? For that you have to check what is the least number or least amount in this data. So here while we are checking here, we can understand 500 is the least amount. That means the lowest amount which is given in this. 500 is the lowest amount in this given data. So 500 is the lowest amount and highest amount is, I think, 998. Okay, so we have to make different kind of classes. For that we can make a distribution frequency distribution table here like this. So here we have to write 3 headlines. First one is amount. This is amount. Okay, this is amount. This is the headline is amount. The first headline is amount and the second headline is tally mark, and the third one is frequency, or here number of students. We can, in this question they gave the number of students, so that means frequency. Okay, frequency, I'm just keeping FI free. Okay, free means frequency. So number of students or frequency, we can say any names. Here the first class we can take 500 to 600. So each class have 100 difference. So what will be the next class? The next class is 600 to 700. Each class size as 100. So 100 is the size. Clear? 500 to 600, 600 to 700. Next class is 700 to 800, and next one is 800 to 900, and last one is 900 to 1000. We know the highest number is 998. So we can finish here because more than 998 there is no numbers. That means the last number will be 998. So we can 998 also we can include in this class. Clear? So we already made different kind of classes. So we have, while you are making classes, I mean this you are grouping, that time you have to remember something. That means each class have same difference. Here 500 to 600, 100. The next number starting with 600 to 700, 100, 700 to 800, and 800 to 900, 900 to 1000. Okay. So the first number, last number, 506 number, this last number will be the next class first number. Understand? Last number, that second class last number will be the third class first number. Clear? So like that you have to make. So now we can check 500 to 600 how many students are, say 500 to 600 how many numbers are there. We can check here. So the first one 765, 600, we don't count this 600. Okay, up to 500 to 599 we have to count the number between 500 to 519. Okay, 500, this one, 2, 500 and 550, second number, 3 and 4 and 5, this is also 500, 6, 575, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the numbers. That means 500 to 600, how many numbers are there? 10 numbers. That means frequency, number of students, 10 students are saving amounts between 500 to 600. Okay, so the tally marks, the number of frequencies is 10. Then we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I am counting like this. We can find the number like this, or one more easy method is there. That means you have to arrange these numbers. You have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Then it is very easy to find the numbers between these classes. Okay, so now I am not arranging here. That's why I am counting the number like this. If you are arranging the number from in ascending order, then it will be more easy. Easily you can count which numbers, how many numbers are including between the classes. Okay, so here I am not arranging, so that's why I am counting the number. Okay, next class is 600 to 700. 600 to 700, how many numbers are there? We can check. 600 is there, and 1, 2, 3, 700 you don't want to count. 3, 3, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. How many numbers? 8 numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? Now 700 to 800. We can check how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This one also 8. So we can write the number 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? Now 800 to 900. We can check. 1. You don't want to count 900, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 800 900 also 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? And the next number is 900 1000. We can check how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 10, 18, 26, 34, and 40 students. Okay, total 40 students. Clear? So this frequency table shows 10 students, they have savings between 500 and 600, and 8 students have savings 600 to 700, and 8 students they are saving 700 to 800, and 8 students they are saving 800 to 900. Their amount should be different because but their class are 800 to 900. Okay, and 6 students are saving 900 to 1000. That means 5 students have more than 500, but they have less than 600 their savings, and so 8 students have 600, more than 600, but less than 700. Like that we can understand the information if you are checking this frequency table. Clear? Like this you can make question number 2, 3, 4.